Hi, boys and girls. Today's lesson is about doubling and halving. Hold on to your chairs because it's a quick, easy lesson. After this lesson, you should understand what it is to double a number, what it is to halve a number, how to calculate by doubling, and how to calculate by dividing or halving. Sorry about that, halving. Here you will see doubling a number means I am plussing the number with itself. For example, when I tell you to double the number 10, you can say 10 plus 10. It also means multiplying the number by 2. So you can also say 10 times 2. So 10 plus 10 will give you 20 and 10 times 2 will give you 20. Here I say to you on the screen, the answer will always be an even number. Do the calculation from right to left. That means when I give you the number 32, you have to double the number from right to left. So 2 plus 2 or 2 times 2, because remember, you can multiply it by 2 or you can add it by itself. So 2 plus 2 will give me 4 and 3 plus 3 will give me 6. Remember, the number will always be an even number when you double a number. And remember, I hope you can remember that lesson. A number that's even ends with a 0, 2, 4, 6, and an 8. Now, when I have to halve a number, we take away half of a number. When you divide the number by 2, it will be exactly the same by dividing by 2. There will be a remainder of 1 if you divide an uneven number. That means if I tell you I've got 5 apples and you have to divide it. Divide means put it in 2 groups. So I can't take 5 and put it in 2 equal groups. So there will be 3 on one side, 2 on the other side. Otherwise I have to halve one of the apples. So it won't be wholes that I'm dividing. There will be a remainder of 1 if you divide an uneven number by 2. Remember when I talked about whole numbers, we're not working with fractions. Okay, an even number will always divide into 2 equal parts. Do the calculation left to right. So let me show you what I mean by that. When we doubled, we worked from the right to the left. Now we work from the left to the right. So I tell you to divide the number or halve the number, and we start from the left to the right. So half of 4 will be 2 and half of 8 will be 4. Remember, when I halve something, I want to put it in 2 equal groups. And that's it, boys and girls. Easy peasy. Enjoy your day. Goodbye.